Hamish éistúil fat agus farsing, gus na surin go ionnsachadh mú speciality coffee. Leis sin, hami tílich go dír green gus canneach a grí Lisa agus Adam, agus ha iadsan gus na sgilean agam a chud fá dheachain. Réir cholis ha éon sáirichte go bhí an cuteach, ach chaile mí rádagal mí na beachgan achasan. Well, ha Lisa agus Adam a féhib mo chúlamh son espresso Siar go táiseach. Okay, so, in táiseach, dhéh mí bascad big a haseo, fyd mí dínamh cínseach go glán. Inis ha mí a lorach 80 grama de coffee. So, cwrw mí rwt gan y niniol a haseo. Agus hí sin, de hacin. Ha mi clintin si yn y garach gynnyr ma chwb. Och ti, ni sen y chwys, cwrw mi sio gan y fyn yn ôl sio, sen an y hen. Agus ha mi cleachgych yn unial gyma fancy ha sio. What's it called again, Adam?
WDT.
WDT. Okay, WDT fel mar sen. Un. Ga. 3. Agus ha sen, dia sen y dianaf, ha sen y mesgochych. Coffee. Agus an uair sin a cleachcha an stop a ha seo agus sias. Agus ha an coffee a céit go mas snog agus ré a sin. Agus inis rud cútramach a haar dhéanamh féimi sin seo a glánaigh. Inis ha glán. Agus inis tá sin a cúd seo ó mar sin. Agus ha sin na féin na cúpanin big a cute a ha seo. Agus inis ha sin dulchéad an uair de racam, agus ha sin lorach 36 grama son 30 jig. Okay, seo sin. Oh, sinne. Oh, ha céit mar chocolate. Okay, agus nuair a haig, stocha tu michael trícha sa hun, stati mi... Oh, no. Oh, rem ni rwt cead, stati mi Licky mi lewa a coffee iachin. Now, honest answers.
Thank you.
Here, please.
Nice crema. Cheers.
Cheers, Adam.
Palms up.
Oh, Lisa's having a sniff first.
Down and hatch, Adam.
2 types of coffee drinkers right there. Yeah, not bad at all.
What do you think of the taste? Is it as it should be?
Lovely, yeah, really nice acidity, lots of body, lots of sweetness.
Yeah?
Yeah,
And all
it's
those
well
things.
balanced actually.
Yeah?
Wonderful.
What would you give me out of 10?
Oh.
I'd say an 8. Solid
I'm
8.
going to go 8 as well.
Yeah?
Definitely. I think you get a little bit more body out of it, but otherwise
Okay.
it's really well balanced.
Well, I'm eisiau tolichte le och gemach dich. Jo Erp is on... Wel, gaan jij hier toe de zaken gemaakt? Jo Erp, could you? Okay, what's next?
Right, let's see a latte.
Okay, I'm not so hopeful about this one, but here we go. Inis támán son latte. Agus éisi mi néirin achnim cedar ar seo. Well, ha, achnim go bhí mair, agus channeamh mór anolalas ar na hamitianamh. So, ach táiseach sin leis an espresso, agus ha big anolalas acham ar sin. So, inis tá sin féin siúca mar seo, go má snasal, agus cudí sin bican. Banya isteach, nise. Oh. Seo, a dal dhéanamh a banya frothy. So, ha sin dalca bhúta gan na hen agus fé mi tárlach a seo, so hí sin J hachras. Okay, so I'm rúta dal héad. So I pull it down? Which way? Ah! Ooh, okay. I think maybe I took ha colas ma sin. So, in eist, ha sin i tógáil an cúpa mar seo, agus an tógáil an siúca. Mar sin? Oh, another swirl? The milk alive. Oh, I'm sure you ban come up yo. Really great supportive friends in the background there. Okay. Ganna bhíon agus side to side. And then suas agus an nuair sin heis sin colas a thuirs go bhfuil an cúpa go bhfuil an coffee dul a gáirte go amachchas a cúpa agus heis sin dul. Bé mí ra sin a latiart a sead a ha mé a dhéanamh a riamh. So, ha mé go mátála sé leis sin. I could only make one, so you're going to have to share it. Okay. But first, I'd like you to tell me what you think what is this picture? What can you see in my art?
What was your intention?
See some ripples there?
It's open to interpretation.
Yeah, good texture.
It's abstract.
Yes.
We've got some contrast of colour.
Yeah.
You can see there's good texture, it's glossy. Yeah, you've tried to, I can see you've attempted to do a heart perhaps, and you've tried to pull through the centre to get that shape. So you can see what the intention was.
That's very kind.
What do you think, Adam?
I'm going to play bad cop here, because you know I love my latte art, but yeah, I can see what you've attempted with the rippled heart there. I would say that your pattern's a little bit big for the cup, so I would perhaps mix a little bit more before going to do the heart shape, so you can get a more centralised and more contrasting pattern with the base. Other than that, I can see the foundations are there, and I think that's something that you would get with just a few more attempts.
And would you hire me as a barista based on this and my espresso making skills?
I think for the fact that just from this attempt alone, you have great potential. I would.
Lisa?
Yeah, I think you've got the skills. I think we just need a few more sessions and you're there.
Bang on.
Yeah, you've got the right attitude.
Great. 2 yeses.
Yeah.
Yes. I made urge this Ian.
Can I try your latte?
Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it tastes good though. So
Yeah.
That's really what matters at the end of the day.
Mí siútáilte leis cópan sin macair siúd an.
Ooh.
Jay has sin págad a hon.
Céhar nácht.
Bhín táilíte lei sin. Chad dhé?
Tá sé, ok.
Chad sí go inas táilíte mé. Ís céin carú sna seachaní ag láh.
Well, I made a bhí shit seo. Ronna háisich mí a déanamh program seo bha a fisam go a coffee cóstagram ach chará fisacham mar J blas a cóstam nó cymryd a bha mi noch eich na bha a blas a bha mi féin fan a coffee. Agus cwyd o chará clw sa biacam my dhéin mar a bha at ga as gyda fused cherries of hana gyda coffee chin fo cherries. Agus
Síach sin news chuig an bas.
Yn rwt is cwydr mi ha mi smynioch eich. Se gyda hec cria syl y coffi se coirsnoch a han. Agus dyrwch mae'r hasinia sio drast a gael coffi se mi un i fi tîn cola agus a gael coffi. Agus sen y fa ffwl y sioch fo fi cynnig y grin y dynnu ac o bers yn rostad yn agus an y Kenya cwjoch. Se mi un coirsnoch agus na dynnu. Aha, Wel, ha mi yn de choffi all sna siachgi yn y galaf ach chanil mi moharach y gleis haast. Nach ti'n son espresso martinis?
Ooh, yeah.
Oi.